Sir, usap-usapan po yung naging pahayag ni AFP Chief Bronner urging troops to prepare for a Taiwan invasion. While the MECO says hindi naman po ito cause for concern or alarm, sa tingin niyo po tama yung naging pahayag ni AFP Chief Bronner na maghanda yung lahat for a possible invasion?
Yeah, tama lang kasi napakaraming OFW din sa Taiwan, sa bansang Taiwan, ano. And yung MECO, matagal na sila naka-ready. Hindi lamang ngayon. Alam ko, kasi nung nandun pa yung dating staff ko, kasi na-assign doon sa MECO, kinukwento niya na meron na silang emergency evacuation plan noon pa in case yung mangyari yung sinasabing invasion. So, yung kay General Bronner, tama lang na maghanda yung armed forces kasi siyempre may evacuation plan tayong patutupad. Eh, sino ba magpapatupad noon? Kundi yung may mga equipment at saka may mga capability para sa logistical plan, ano, para ilikas o at least man lang maprotektahan yung ating mga kababayan doon na OFW.
I agree with the statement as well as the proposal of General Bronner. Matagal ko na pong pinopropose yung kahit tabletop exercises ng balikatan, i-rehearse yung possible conflict sa Taiwan Strait. At yung sinabi ni General Bronner is very timely kasi papasok na uli yung bagong balikatan. Yung bagong balikatan kasama ng Australia, Japan, US, and the Philippines. So yung 250,000 na OFW natin, dapat siguro yung rehearsal nun, hindi lang yung Philippine Navy vessels, kung hindi yung mga civilian, commercial vessels na pwedeng tumulong. And I'm referring to yung mga Togo, Buhay, Sulpicio, o kung ano man yung pumalit doon. Gotong, yung mga ganong barko para ma-rehearse na. Kasi from the nearest point would be Kaohsiung. So papunta ng Itbayat, ilang minuto rin yan, o isang oras, o kaya papunta ng Basco. So dapat ito i-rehearse na dahil may tension talaga. And kailangan safe yung ating mga OFW. So tama yung kay General Bronner, siguro dapat makatulong din ng DOTR, yung mga barko na commercial, dapat makatulong din ng the whole DND para yung pagre-rehearse. Kailangan i-rehearse. Kailangan i-ensayo natin yon.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Yes, Senator Ping.
I think we should learn from the lesson of Dunkirk. Ano, kung napanood nyo yung Dunkirk, di ba? Na-mobilize yung civilian population, yung mga civilian vessels, nag-augment do sa mga military vessels para mag-evacuate ng mga troops from, I think, France. Ano? Yun ang nangyari kasi binubomba na ng Germany. Masarap panoorin yung, again, Netflix. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Sir Erwin.
Yung message kasi ng AFP, it doesn't mean to say na panigsalita yung AFP, gera. Wala naman tayong kalaban-laban doon. What he was just trying to say, parang alerting all other agencies, DMW, DFA. Siyempre, usapang gera yun. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean sana na gets ng China yun. Hindi naman tayo sasali tayo, gigit na tayo. We don't have the force, we don't have the equipment. Ang sinasabi lang ng AFP, now we have to be alert kasi may mga OFWs tayo. Malinaw naman yung mensahe. Mukhang it was just taken out of context o iba yung translation na nakuha ng China. That we don't mean war.
Attorney Abalos.
Klaro naman siguro, no? Malinaw sinabi ni General Bronner, it's all about evacuation of Filipinos there. So iba na yung pinaghahandaan kasi lamang may mangyari at hindi tayo handa. No? Mas maganda na yon because these are our fellow Filipinos na dapat naman talagang i-evacuate at tulungan natin.
We would like to recognize our